Good morning students, welcome to the science classes of class 7. Today we are going to conduct activity number 3 and the aim of this activity is to show that air expands on heating. Student, as we have read about air have different properties and one of the most important property of the air that it get expanded on heating. So today we are going to verify this property of air by conducting this activity, and to perform this activity we need a narrow necked glass bottle and a balloon and a beaker, and we also need a gas burner. So let us start this activity. So students, to conduct this activity we required these materials. First we will take a small narrow necked glass bottle and a simple balloon and a beaker, and we need a gas burner and a tripod stand. So students, to conduct this activity, first of all we will take the empty narrow necked glass bottle and take a simple balloon and slip this balloon onto the mouth of this bottle like this. And after that we will take near about 500 ml of water into the beaker and put this beaker onto the tripod stand and burn the burner, and this will continue till the water start boiling. And students, when the water start boiling, then take the empty bottle and put it into the boiling water. And observe the changes. So as you can see that the balloon get started inflated. So can you tell me why does this happen? This is happening because the air that was filled inside the empty bottle get heated due to the heat of the boiling water, and after heating the air rises up and it was about to come out from the mouth of the bottle, but as we have put the balloon onto the mouth of the bottle, so the hot air get filled inside the balloon and inflate this balloon. So after this activity it is clear that the hot air rises up, and after that take the bottle out from the boiling water and observe it. Students, as you can see that the balloon gets deflated as the bottle get cooled down. When the bottle cooled down, the air that was present inside the bottle also cooled down and it settled down into the bottle, and that's why the balloon get deflated. So by observing this activity it is clear that the hot air rises up. I hope you have understood this activity. Thank you.